Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap. In front of all of you, I am presenting the Business Standard newspaper headlines. So, first of all, GDP growth slows in quarter three. Next, above normal temperature likely in March May IMD. Next, risk overweight upside potential of FY24 growth CEA. Next, core sector output up 7.8% at a 4-month high in January. Next, scant winter rain. Next, manufacturing output shrinks for second straight quarter. Next, economy locks 4.4% growth, demand eases. Next, RBI seeks details of NBFC total credit to Adani companies. Next, GDP growth slows in quarter 3. Next, above normal temperature likely in March May IMD. Then I comes to page number 4. In that, Sudi Drugs Meden Pharma founder jailed. Next, COC rejects fund infusion into Reliance General Insurance. Next, NCLT admits insolvency plea against Syntex Plastic Tech. Next, 5G towers now in 387 district Vaishnav. Next, World Congress India wins government leadership award. Next, Airtel to hike tariff. Next, Ukraine war steals steel cause see wind swing in fortunes. Next, Air India to triple aircraft fleet in a few years. CEO. Next, Rebel food to run Wendy's restaurants. Next, we plan to capture just 4% of market in 4 years. On page number 5, in companies section of that, we never stopped hiring in India. Next, Foxlink unlikely to resume full India ops for 2 months. Next, Ola, TVS, and Ether account for 60% to wheeler EV registration in 23. Next, PV sales to grow 9 to 10% in FY24. Next, Delhi EV sales in Fab skidded to 6-month low of 4,838 units. Next, HFC to face headwinds amid rising interest rates, says INDRA. Then I comes to page number 6 in economy and public affairs section of that India defies US curbs Russian oil imports at record high. Next, SBI enters social loan market, rises $1 billion. Next, HDFC hikes home loan rates. Next, onion potato price tank, NAFD intervenes. Next, Chinese foreign minister to attend Delhi G20 meet. Next, government ban oil tanker bulk carrier older than 25 years. Next, retail NBFC drive services credit growth. Next, banks want more long-term bonds in first half of FY24. Next, insurers yet to see fire sale of high-value life policies. On page number 8 in quarter 3 GDP numbers section under that bright spot a bit dimmer. Next, CEA risk out weight upside potential of FY24 growth. Next, pent up household demand fizzles out. Next, good Kharif harvest gives boost to agri sector GVA. Next, India testing growth guardrails. Next, slowing GDP growth in India mirror the trend in top global economies. Next, held in graft cases, Shishodia, Jain quit Kejriwal's cabinet. Next, states borrow record rupees 33,000 crore cost jumps by 7 basis point to 7.68%. Next, property registration in Mumbai falls 11% in Feb. Next, PM Tech to help us become developed nation by 2047. Next, ISRO successfully conducts key test for Chandrayaan 3. Next, NHPC rupees 32,000 crore Hydel project near China border get center's approval. Next, Das gets stock financial inclusion Microsoft Finance microfinance. On page number 10 in world section under that Musk writes on Tesla to become world's richest again. Next, Tesla chief recruits researchers to develop reveal to chat GPT. Next, Fed may hike policy rates to 6% BOFA. Next, Japan OK's new budget includes hefty weapons cost with eye on China. Next, Zoom gets on AI bandwagon forecast a beat 2024 profit. Next, Moody's slashes Pakistan's sovereign rating to SA 3. Next, Pakistan court issues non-bailable arrest warrant against Khan. Next, world's longest Hong Kong ends mask rule over 945 days. Next, Fox host endorsed Trump lies that president election were rigged. Murdoch. Next, U.S. attaches child care strings to $52 billion subsidy for chip maker. Next, drone strikes in Russia has TV radio hacked. Next, no global players in Toshiba's $15 billion buy deal. Next, TikTok suffer fresh blow as Canada slaps ban. On page number 11, in opinion section under that, the growth challenge. Next, a fresh beginning. Next, no method in the madness. Next, can Vodafone idea survive? Next, a bird's eye view of India's long history. On page number 16, in that India testing armed drone variants that won recent wars. Next, a marketplace to unlock value for unseen films. Next, Disney star takes guard as IPL broadcast war heats up. On page number 17, the smart investor section, and under that, India's fall for 8th day in worst losing streak since May 2019. Next, transforming SEBI one reform at a time. Next, markets and lower for third month in a row. Next, Adani Group regains rupees 30,000 crore mid cap. Next, bright prospects for power sector stocks. Next, NSEL case registration of 4 brokers cancelled. Next, impound rupees 30.6 crore SEBI diktat in Axis Mutual Fund case. On page number 20, in that green in finance, a question of wisdom. Next, how GAC will respond to grievances of online users. Next, investor jittery has Vedanta stocks bonds take a hit. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.